Good afternoon, students. Standard 5, Subject Max, Term 2. Unit 4, Measurements. How to measure the weight? For that, we are using some machines, right? They are simple balance, analog weighing machine, digital weighing machine. These machines are used to measure the weight. And how they are measuring? With the help of measurements. Just to see the units for measurements. 1 gram equal to 1000 milligram, 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram, half kilogram equal to 500 gram, quarter kilogram, that means 1 by 4 kilogram equal to 250 gram, and next 3 quarter kilogram or 3 by 4 kilogram, which is equal to 750 gram. Let's we convert one unit to another unit. Convert the following into grams. So first one, 2 kilogram, 250 gram. See this, here we have two units, right? One is kilogram, another one is gram. So if you have two units like this, first we have to see what is the unit they gave to you to convert. It is grams, right? So you don't need to change the second one. That means 250 gram. You must change the first one only, that is 2 kilogram. So how to convert this? So remember, when we are converting greatest unit to smallest unit, you have to do multiplication. Multiplication with which number? How to know that? For that, first we have to know 1 kilogram equal to how much gram? It is 1000 gram, right? So you have to multiply this number with 1000. Let's see that. So 2 kilogram, 250 gram, which is equal to, this is 2 kilogram. When we are converting, this 2 will be multiplied with 1000. So 2 into 1000 plus what you had now? 250 grams. So just write 250 gram as same. Because it is already in grams. So you need to add that only. Next, 2 into 1000, you will get is 2000 plus 250. When you add this 2, you will get is 2250. So what's the answer? 2 kilogram, 250 gram, which is equal to 2250 gram. Let's see another one conversion. Convert into kilograms. What's the sum? 7500 gram. See, we are converting into kilogram, but they gave to you here is gram. So gram is the smallest unit than kilogram. So when we are converting smallest unit to greatest unit, you have to do division. Division with which number? So let's see that. For that, first you have to find out 1 kilogram equal to how much gram? It is 1000 gram. Or else 1000 gram is equal to how much kilogram? It is 1 kilogram. So you have to divide this number with 1000. When you divide with this number, what will you get? Let's see that. So 7500 gram equal to 7500 divided by 1000. So here 7500 divided by which number? 1000. So take the first number, it is not possible to divide. Take the second number, now also it is not possible. Take the third number, now also you can't able to divide this number with 1000 because 750 is less than 1000, right? So we have to move to the next number. Now it will become 7500. So now you can divide this. So 1000 sevens are what? 7000. So 1000 sevens are 7000. Subtract this, 0 minus 0, you will get as 0. 0 minus 0, you will get as 0. 5 minus 0, you will get as 5. And 7 minus 7, you will get as 0. So what you got now actually? 7 is the quotient and 500 as the remainder, right? So this 7 is in kilogram. So when you are writing the answer, the quotient will become kilogram. It is 7 kilogram and the remainder is in which one? Gram. So it is 500 gram. So what's the answer you got? You will get the answer as 7 kilogram 500 gram. Let's see addition with the units. For that we are going to see one application. Sum here. In a market, Ragman bought 12 kilogram 500 gram of brinjal 15 kilogram 250 gram of lady's finger and 17 kilogram 350 gram of onion. What is the total weight of vegetables? So see the keyword what they asked. It is total weight, right? So total weight means it is what? Addition. So we have to add everything. Let's we add this. Before adding this, first you have to see how many units you have. Here we have 2 units, right? One is kilogram, another one is gram. So first thing you have to write the units. So what are the units here we got? One is kilogram, another one is gram. So first you have to write the units. After that, see, first one is what? Weight of the brinjal, right? How much it is? 12 kilogram, 500 gram according to the sum. See, 12 is in kilograms place. So you have to write 12 is in kilogram. Next, 500 is in grams place. So you have to write 500 in grams place. Next one, weight of the lady's finger. It is how much? 15 kilogram, 250 gram. Same as previous. You have to write 15 in kilograms place. Next you have to write 250 in grams place. And see the final one. It is weight of the onion. It is 17 kilogram, 350 gram. 17 must be comes in kilograms place. Next 350 must comes in grams place. Now let's see add. So 0 plus 0 you will get a 0. Again 0 plus 0 you will get a what? 0. Next 0 plus 5 you will get a what? 5. 5 plus 5 you will get a what? 10. So 0 will come here and 1 will become carry. Again add 1 plus 5 you will get 6. 6 plus 2 you will get 8. 8 plus 3 you will get 11. So 1 will come here and next 1 will become carry. Again add 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 7 15. So 5 will come here. Again 1 is carry. Next 1 plus 1 we will get 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. So in kilograms place you got 45 and in grams place you got 100. So what it was? 45 kilogram 100 gram. So total weight of the 3 vegetables equal to 45 kilogram 100 gram. Let's see another one application sum. A sack had 25 kilogram rice. Out of 25 kilogram rice, 13 kilogram 500 gram of rice which was used for noon meal. What is the weight of the remaining rice? So they are asking about remaining. Remaining means it is what? Subtraction. So you have to do subtraction here. So first we have to see how many units we have. How many units we have? 2 units, right? Kilogram and gram. So first you have to write that units. You must write kilogram first. After that only you have to write gram because that is the biggest unit here. Next to see rice in the sack. How much it is? In the sum they told it is 25 kilogram. So in kilograms place you have to write 25. Then what about gram? You don't have anything in that place, right? So simply mention that with the zeros. So you have to write here 0 0 0 3 zeros. Next to see rice used for noon meal. How much it is? 13 kilogram 500 gram, right? So in kilograms place you have to write 13 and in grams place you have to write 500. Now let's subtract this. So see 0 minus 0 you will get 0. Next to 0 minus 0 you will get 0. Next to 0 minus 5. Is it possible to subtract? No. Then we will borrow 1 from here and this will become what? 4 and here what will come? 10. It will become 10. So 10 minus 5 you will get as 5. Next here 4. 4 minus 3 you will get as 1. And here 2 minus 1 you will get as 1. So now what you got in kilograms place? It is 11. And what you got in grams place? It is 500. So what is the answer? 11 kilogram 500 gram. So remaining amount of rice in sack equal to 11 kilogram 500 gram. Thank you.